How to fix Discord's audio share. So right now, let's say I'm in a general call and I want to share my screen. I will typically just click on this button at the bottom right. And then over here, I can choose the screen which I want to share, and it's going to be shared like this. But most people forget about this little thing. So let's say I want to share this screen. I click on it. It gets shared. But if the audio is not getting shared, what I can do is just close this call and go to the user setting at the bottom left. From here, I need to go to voice and video. From here, I need to scroll all the way down and make sure this setting over here, enable quality service, high packet priority is on. And over here, advanced voice activity, make sure all of this setting is similar to mine. Whichever I have over here in settings, yours should have the same as well. You can go to soundboard as well, or debugging. So you can always come into debugging and click on reset voice and video settings. Sometimes some weird setting causes the issue, so doing this will also fix a problem. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is delete your Discord application and re-download it again. It's going to reset and remove all the bugs or all the problem in your Discord software, and you're going to have the latest software of Discord as well. And then you can just go to any general or go to any video call and just click on share your screen and then choose whichever screen you want to share. You can even choose HD or SD, but for HD sharing you need to get Discord Premium, so you need to keep that in mind. You can also click on the setting icon and make sure which mode you want from here. I would like to go for gaming or screen share, but you can choose whichever you want. Just don't go for custom, okay? In custom, there's multiple this thing and it's just going to make you confused. So just choose this and the problem should be fixed. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.